Stop guessing your electrical readings, because one wrong measurement can silently cost you time, money, or safety. Today, we're breaking down the best clamp meters that professionals actually trust. Which one gives true accuracy under pressure? Which features are game changers, and which are just hype? Stay locked in, because the top pick might surprise you. Let's start. Number 5. Teesman TCM 300A Inrush Clamp Meter delivers a high CTR professional-grade solution for automotive diagnostics and electrical testing. Built with 6,000 counts true RMS accuracy, it measures AC current, inrush, AC-DC voltage, capacitance, resistance, frequency, temperature, and continuity with smart auto-ranging control. The large jaw design ensures safe, non-contact current testing, while Cat 3 600V certification, overload protection, NCV detection, and audible visual alerts enhance safety. Lightweight, durable, and easy to read, it offers exceptional performance, reliability, and long-term value for serious users. Number 4. Proster Digital Clamp Meter 6000 Count delivers professionally grade diagnostics, built for automotive and electrical work where accuracy matters. With true RMS measurement, it precisely reads AC-DC voltage, up to 800A current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and continuity, while NCV detection boosts safety around live wires. The auto-ranging system, overload protection, and audible alerts reduce risk during testing. A large backlit LCD, clamp light, and compact 200-gram ergonomic design make it durable, portable, and perfect for confident, one-handed use in tight engine bays and workshops. Number 3. FNIRSI DMC100 instantly stands out as a professional-grade digital clamp meter built for automotive diagnostics and electrical work. With 9,999 count TRMS accuracy and up to 600 amp capacity, it precisely measures AC-DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, and more, while NCV and live wire detection enhance safety. 2-inch full-color TFT display with dual themes improves visibility in garages. Curve recording, data storage, rechargeable Type-C battery, wide clamp jaw, and rugged portability deliver reliability, efficiency, and exceptional value for serious users. Number 2. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter delivers a confident, professional-grade solution for automotive and electrical diagnostics, combining auto-ranging accuracy with 2,000 count precision. It measures AC-DC voltage, AC current, resistance, capacitance, continuity, and live wire detection, all in one rugged, battery-powered tool. Safety is enhanced with NCV alerts, Cat 3 600-volt protection, and visual audio alarms. Pros include a backlit LCD, flashlight, data hold, and durable build. Benefits that translate to faster troubleshooting, safer testing, and exceptional value for both DIYers and professionals. Number 1. Kaiweets delivers a professional-grade digital clamp meter designed for serious automotive diagnostics and electrical troubleshooting. Featuring true RMS accuracy, it measures AC-DC current and voltage, temperature, continuity, diode, frequency, and NCV with confidence. The D-shaped 1.1-inch jaw grips cables securely, while Cat 3 600-volt safety alerts protect you during high-load tests. A bright backlit display, built-in flashlight, auto-ranging precision, and durable build make it reliable, fast, and exceptional value for pros who demand accuracy, safety, and efficiency.